Hi, my name is Carden Selvi Alpapara. I'm 21 years old. Currently third year college student at Jose Rizal University, pursuing a Bachelor of Science Tourism Management program. I pursue tourism management because I love travel, hospitality, and creating unforgettable experiences. This field offers opportunities to connect with diverse cultures and build a global career. What motivates me is the new thing and challenge because you can learn many things about other countries and their history. This course is so enjoyable because just by seeing those beautiful places from different places, it makes one to go and travel the world. You should hire me because I am strongly eager to learn and improve my communication, knowledge, skills, and strategies to handle different types of situations. A team player, loyal, and hardworking person to prove that I am suited and well fit on this kind of position or job that I want to. Strongly focused with the ability to complete tasks accurately in a fast-paced environment with conflicting deadlines, and having an excitement to meet random people and to get know more, sharing my abilities and skills to them, and also to have a companions or another family groups to boost my eagerness to do my task. My biggest dream that I want to achieve is to be a flight attendant, work on a cruise ship, and have a own farm business to make my life financially stable, giving my gratitude to all of sacrifices of my parents and to a future family.